Cruiser RV has just made the camping season a lot more enjoyable for thousands of families throughout North America with the all-new exclusive air fryer. The reason why is because now with this air fryer, the food you prepare is actually going to cook. Now this RV industry first is exclusive to Cruiser RV and available on every brand that they manufacture. Now the air fryer is loaded with many features, including safety features to ensure safety to your entire family. You'll notice as soon as we open this up, you have 3 lights of indication. You have the lower light that can show you the food that's being prepared on the inside of the air fryer oven. You can also turn these knobs and it will help alert your family to know when either the top stove is on or the air fryer is on. Also, you have an additional feature to have LED indication in the early morning if you don't want to light up the entire coach when you want to prepare breakfast for your family. One of the other things that you're going to enjoy so much with this industry exclusive air fryer with Cruiser RV is the ability to regulate your temperature both down here in the cavity of the air fryer. This is all controlled electronically, and on the stove top, a 3-burner stove, you can regulate that temperature with gas. Talking specifically about the air fryer oven portion, you have a much larger cavity. Well, this is going to allow you to have a lot more flexibility and expand your recipe list of anything that you are going to prepare in the air fryer. Some of the menu items that you can now cook that you never were able to cook before: imagine beef jerky, fried pickles, rotisserie chicken. The food choices are endless, and you have the confidence and the assurance that your food is going to be prepared perfectly each and every time. To learn more information about the exclusive air fryer from Cruiser RV and to learn about all the additional things that they are doing to give you a better camping experience, go to cruiserrv.com.